Hello students, today we are going to discuss the allotropes of allotropic form of carbon. Okay, so let us have what are the characters student for the allotropic. First of all, what are the phenomena of existence of an element in two or more forms which have different physical properties but identical chemical properties is called allotropic. So allotropy means the different form. Simple meaning of allotrope means two or more than two different form. More than two different form. So this is what is known as allotrope student. And the different forms are called allotropic form or simply allotropes. Got it? So like carbon, if you talk about student, carbon is having the three allotropic. Carbon occurs in three crystalline allotropic form. What are there student? First one is diamond, second is graphite, and third one is fullerene. Now you see all these three allotropic form are the purest form of the carbon. That is, you have to keep in mind all the three are the purest form. Now they have the same chemical properties. Okay, they have the same chemical properties. What are these? For example, when diamond, graphite or fullerene is burned in air, a colorless and odorless gas called the carbon dioxide is formed, which turns lime water milky. So what is this student? That is, what is this? The meaning is chemical properties is always same. Whether it is the graphite is there, diamond is there, or even normal carbon is there. So fullerene is there. So all, if it is getting burned, anyone is going to be burned. Okay, suppose I am burning the diamond. Okay, or you are going to burn that is graphite, or you are going to burn that is fullerene. So all will give what student? That is colorless, odorless gas carbon dioxide, which term lime water milky. Okay, so that is what the point. That is what point means. So that they are all giving carbon dioxide, so that the chemical properties is same. However, physical properties are, they are saying the physical properties of these three allotropic form of carbon are different due to different arrangement of carbon atom in them. So because of different arrangement of carbon, their physical properties are different. Okay. So first of all, let us try to understand what about the diamond. So they are saying that is occurrence. Where is the occurrence? So although diamond occur in the nature, South Africa, Zaire, Australia, Russia, etc., they also have been synthesized, by subjecting pure carbon to very high pressure, 50,000 to 60,000 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere means 1 kg. So that is 50,000 kg you are putting the pressure on the carbon, and high temperature, that is 1873 Kelvin. The synthetic diamonds are small in size but are the otherwise indistinguishable from natural diamond. So that is what the point is all about. If you want, you are having the pure carbon, if you are putting the pressure of the 50,000 atm to 60,000 atm, okay, 60,000 atmospheric pressure and 1873 Kelvin, so you will be able to get the diamond student. Okay, this is what is the point which you have to keep in mind. The size of diamond is measured in the carats. 1 carat is equal to 200 milligram. The famous Kohinoor diamonds, which decorate the crown of England Queen, is at present weight is 108.93 carat. However, when it was taken from India to England, it weighed 181 carats. So see, when it was taken from the India, it was 181. Nowadays its weight is what? 108.90 carat. Okay, they stole from India and taken to England during the British era. To restore its brilliance and luster, about 39.8% of its weight was said. Now let us have a look over the structure. In diamond, each carbon atom attached to 4 other carbon atom by strong single covalent bond, which are 1.54 angstrom or 154 picometer long. The four surrounding carbon atoms lie at the four vertices, that is corner of the regular tetrahedron, as shown in figure 4.7a. So you can see this is the tetrahedral structure. The angle between any two adjacent carbon atom is 109.28, which is also called the tetrahedral angle. This tetrahedral arrangement of the carbon atoms gives diamond a rigid three-dimensional network structure as shown in figure. Thus, a crystal of diamond is giant molecule consisting of only carbon atoms. Okay. Let us have some physical properties of diamond, student. Hardness. The three-dimensional network structure of diamond makes it hardest natural substance known. So that is the one of the most hardest substance among all known is the diamond. High density. Due to network structure, the carbon atom in the diamond are closely packed and hence diamond has high density 3.51 gram per centimeter cube. High melting point. A large amount of energy is needed to break the network structure of diamond. Therefore, the melting point of diamond is quite high, 3930 degrees Celsius to 4203 Kelvin. Okay. Electrical and thermal conductivity. Since all the four valence electrons are formally held carbon-carbon single bond, there are no free electron in diamond crystal. Therefore, diamond is a bad conductor of electricity. However, it has the highest thermal conductivity of any known substance, about 5 times that the copper. It is because of this reason that the diamond trapped tools do not overheat and hence are extensively used in the drilling and cutting purposes. Transparency. Okay, next point is what is there, student? That is the transparency. So what is the transparency? Because of high refractive index 2.5, diamond can reflect and refractive light. As a result, diamond are the transparent substance. Okay, because of high refractive index 2.5, diamond can reflect and reflective light. As a result, diamond are transparent substance. Uses. Where is being used? Because of hardness, diamond are used for cutting glass, making bores, for drilling rocks and making abrasive. Diamond are used for making dyes, for drawing thin wires from metals. When a diamond is cut and polished, brilliant light is refracted from its surface. This is why diamond are used for making precious gems and jewelry. Precious gems and jewelry. Why? Because it is having brilliance light. Sharp edge diamond are used as a tools by eye surgeons to remove the contract from eye with great precision. Okay, so this is all about the allotropic form of the carbon stone. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do watch, do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment, students.